Knockout program by Milwaukee really embodies kind of what we do as a company. We go out, talk to the user, and really try and redefine the process of what they do. In this instance, we went out looking for ways to innovate on a knockout punch, and we learned very quickly that if you wanted to change the way these guys work, you had to go start to finish through the entire process.
The accuracy is very important. You may be running a whole rack of pipes.
There's no room for error. I mean, we're running conduits out the top of a panel. They got to be exactly right on the mark. So
with the crosshairs, that allows us to be exact and get our hole exactly where we want it. That way it eliminates offsets.
now I'm not spending time measuring to make sure that die is in the right spot because I can't see it. I can see it easy enough that I'm already lining up the crosshairs on my marks that I put on there.
Hence the name is quick. It's light, it's easy, there's nothing to it.
There's 3 pieces. You can put it all together up in the air or on top of a panel and then slip the actual tool on when you're ready to do the knockout.
I don't have to hold 15 pounds of a hydraulic pump and try to thread the die on the inside of the can.
The production's faster with the quick connect because of the fact that you're not holding all the weight up of those hydraulic heads. It's just as easy to pop a 1/2-inch hole as it is a 4-inch hole.
And the fact that it cuts through thick steel very easily and without much effort really impressed me.
From the strength of it, it's easier to cut them out versus the old knockout cutters with the pump. You got to really pump it hard to get it cut, and the battery-powered one in Milwaukee is just awesome when it comes to cutting it.
With the battery, you're not lugging around the big hydraulic cylinder.
On a job site, we're swapping batteries out all day long. With it being the same battery, you know, we need to knock something out, you just go grab it off the charger.
Well, I think the 3 main benefits of the Force Logic system are accuracy, speed, and safety.
There's no other die cutter on the market that's anything like this. That's this simple.
Now to see something come out new that is just totally different than what we've been accustomed to, it's quite something.
The whole system combined, from the dies, the knockouts, the quick connect, the tool itself, as a whole, they're just the perfect product for electricians.
The sum of the parts, the tool, the punches and dies, the quick connect alignment system really redefined from the ground up the process for hole making. And at the end of the day, embody the easiest way to punch in the market today.